Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
The West Indies trailed their 5-match T20 International Series 2-0 after losing to Australia by 8 wickets at Sabina Park on Tuesday night. Batting first, the West Indies were restricted to 172 for 8. Brandon King, with his 12th T20 International half-century, led the way with 51, while Andre Russell in his final innings at this level made a quick-fire 36 from 15 balls. Gudakesh Moti also added 18 runs from 9 deliveries towards the end. Adam Zampa ended with 3 for 29, while Nathan Ellis and Glenn Maxwell had 2 wickets each. In their run chase, Australia got to their target at 173 for 2, led by Josh Inglis, 78 not out, and Cameron Green, 56. The two shared in an unbroken 131-run third-wicket partnership. Jason Holder and Alzar Joseph both picked up a wicket. Meanwhile, West Indies captain Shea Hope says it was disappointing not to have won the first 2 T20s in Jamaica, which would have been a fitting end to the international career of all-rounder Andre Russell.
Well, Andre, I think everything speaks for itself there. We don't need to go into fine details of what he's achieved. He's one of those household names when you talk about T20 cricket. If you mention T20 cricket, he's one of the first names that you would call. So we're very, very thankful and grateful for his contribution to West Indies cricket. I think he's been a real inspiration for most of the Caribbean cricketers, not just Jamaican.
And that's the Midday News package. I'm Carrie Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.